A historical day for Everton Women's team. Their first ever game at the Hill Dickinson Stadium in the WSL. My name is John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and we've also got Chris along for the ride today. Let's dive in. It's the first time we've been able to have a little go at this and come around to the west side. We're in the west lower tier today. So we thought we'd just come round and have a look at these steps, which is the stand closest to the Mersey. What do you think? Looks great, doesn't it? First time we've just had a couple 5 minutes to actually get round and take a proper look at it. But from this side. Chris is just taking it all in. He's not used to this for Kenton Park. Okay, we're going to get inside. So we are in turnstile 1. And the lower west stand. So let's see what the view's like. Okay, it's like going on a ride at Alton Towers here with all these barricades in. I'm hoping, for my health, we're just on level 1 here. Fingers crossed. Apparently there's 20,000 tickets been sold for this. So, nice historical day for the Everton Women today. Some little memorabilia on the wall. Not too busy, just nice and relaxed, I think. Chris is getting a bevy. It's not even 12 o'clock on a Sunday. I'm judging him right now. We're in a 127, which is just there. Chris was going to get a bevy, but they only had Boddingtons. What's Boddingtons?
Old man boozer ale.
Old man boozer ale. Let's have a little look. Little leaf blasting out. Feel like I'm in a rave. There we go. I like the lights going. All that. Fuck me, that's loud, isn't it? Loud, that.
But it's
We are underway.
I'm right in saying United are of decent size.
Dangerous free kick for Everton here. They work this. It's not about ball. Oh! Come on!
Oh my word, what a snatching grab!
1-0!
Good finish, though. Great finish. 1 lead.
Everton have it in the corner. Just touched out. Literally.
Causing chaos of every ball that goes in.
Every set piece, Everton seem to be causing United problems. Still 1-0. Half time. It's 1-0 Everton. Mass exits for the takeaways. Refreshments. Blah, blah, blah. Here we go, second half about to begin. Still 1-0. Obviously it's still 1-0. One. 3-1 to Manchester United. 4-1. I don't know how this has happened, but it took them 4-1. They've had two fluky, fortunate goals, and Everton have just got out of the contest completely. Just got out, left before the end, to be honest. It was 4-1 when we left. It probably finished like that. 3 of the 4 goals were absolute knee bobblers. Don't know why I'm fuming, but I'm fuming. I don't even watch women's football. Just the way it happens. It's
need a pint after that, mate.
I need to go and have a bevy. Chris is just going to watch here to look for his Everton way for his Alpha Stone. Good luck finding it. Just come out and just noticed this. Old train tracks that go across the outside the East Stand from years gone by. Still there and intact. So there it is. Everton 1, Manchester United 4. 3 very fortunate goals. And only the lower tiers are open, as you can see from the videos today. We will see you on the next one. What a start to Sunday.